Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you 3 hidden iOS 17 features. So let's get started. Features on screen distance in screen time. Keeping iPhone or iPad screen close to the eyes for an extended period increases the risk of myopia in children. iOS 17 now alerts to keep the screen far to help reduce eye strain. To do this, open the Settings app, scroll down and click on Screen Time. Next, click on Screen Distance and enable the Screen Distance toggle. Features 2. Listen to a web page in Safari. There's a hidden features in Safari in iOS 17 that allows users to listen to web pages with a simple tap. If you are not a fan of reading articles or long text, you can now ask Safari to read them aloud for you. To use these features, open an articles on Safari. Just tap the AA button located in the left corner and select Listen to Page. Siri will then start reading the text aloud.
Albert Einstein. Einstein redirects here. For other uses, see Einstein disambiguation.
Features 3. Crop your photos using the zoom feature in Photo. Cropping a screenshot or picture in the Photos app is a relatively easy process, but Apple has made it even easier with iOS 17. In Photos app, when you are viewing a photo and you zoom in on it, a new crop button will appear in the top right. This will automatically take you into edit mode and allow you to then adjust the crop even more, or you can simply hit done to finish the crop. You must act quick through as the crop button appears for only a few seconds after you zoom it to a photo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.